Hey guys, I know it's been a couple months, but I had a lot of stuff I had to do for school because I'm going into my senior year. And so, I have just completed my first class in this road, which is 8.03, which is Physics 3. And so I'm going to take the final exam right now and show you the proof. Alright, so this test took way longer than I expected. It took me a couple hours. It's already 6 p.m. But I just finished it, and I just checked it over with what I found online as the practice key, and I got 75%. So I'm just going to briefly go over what I missed. So one of the first things I got wrong was with the magnetic field. I set up the two equations correctly, these two equations, but then I messed up the math in the middle and got a similar but wrong answer. And then for the coupled differential equation describing the displacement of the masses, I did most of it correctly, but at the end I had x double that second derivative of x2 equals 2k over mx1 minus 3k over mx2, and I didn't do the angular velocity squared initial equals k over m. So I didn't do that last substitution, so I did not get that right. For the optical fiber, it says find the largest theta that can be incident, and so I solved all the way to here, where I got theta equals inverse sine of dividing the reflective indexes times sine of pi over 2 minus critical theta, but I had no clue what to do from here, so I kind of just stopped it there, even though the critical angle is not one of the givens. So, and then 4C asks you to graph the the plot showing the intensity changes, and so this is what it's supposed to be, but mine was a lot less dense. Like I had way less peaks. I think I only wrote like 5, so I don't think that's my last mistake. I don't even know how this happened, but when it says so it asks to use dA over dE times dE over dt to figure out the average power radiated, and I did all this correct, but then I somehow messed up the integral at the very end. So yeah, those were all my mistakes. So yeah, that was everything. I'm going to move on and take, let's see, what next class should I take? I think I'm going to do linear algebra and 8.04, which is quantum mechanics. So I'm going to do quantum mechanics and linear algebra as my next 2 classes, maybe simultaneously, since one's a math class and one's a physics class. And if this video gets like 200 views, I'll make a Discord server and post my actual test for everybody to see it. Thank you.